Hello everyone, I'm Saujanya Jain Brahmaraj, 5th semester GM University from Computer Science Department. Today I am here to present on the topic of our assignment, which AR/VR assignment, where we have developed a Robo Run game. It is a simple yet a effective project as a beginner. Let me walk you through the project. Hello and welcome to the technical deep dive for our AR/VR assignment project, Timmy's Stellar Quest. This video details our development through the initial phases of the assignment, focusing on the implementation of core mechanics and using the custom C hash scripts. This is the Unity screen as you can see here. These are the projects developed and the setup guide in editor tutorial is our project. Let me open it. We have built the game in the Unity using our using C hash. Our project architecture includes key scripts like third person controller, pickup, respawn player, and which handle all core logic. Let me go with the first phase. The foundation phase 1 was built by implementing our custom third person controller. Let me open the third person controller script. The script manages Timmy's moment, including including rendering input and applying forces for running and jumping across 3D environment. The script handles moment, velocity, and also the ground check logic necessary to ensure Timmy can only jump when he is on the platform. Hit detection is handled by the pickup script. If we come back to the Unity window, here we can see that we have pickup script. The pickup script is used to hit detection and it is handled by the pickup script. The collectible stars are attached to this. Timmy enters the star triggers collider. The script runs the collection logic. The pickup script calls destroy game object and signals our scoring script to update the HUD, completing the core gameplay loop. Let us go to the phase 2 where we can see the game mechanics and the difficulty levels. Phase 2 added game mechanics including live attempts, which we can see when we start the game. The respawn player, it is also a script which we have added. Let me open the respawn player script. It continuously monitors Timmy's position. If he falls below the y-axis, which means there is a plane in the Unity, if the robot named Timmy falls below y-axis, it determines and it encounters the respawn at the last checkpoint or initiates the game over sequence. Difficulty scaling is controlled through the game manager, allowing us to easily adjust Timmy's moment parameters and the complexity level of the geometry for harder tries. We can see I have run the project. We can see all the moments. We can move the robot named Timmy all around using the arrow keys up, down, right, and left. We can also do it using the WASD keys in the keyboard. The update collection count script ensures that the score display on the HUD is accurate and responsive whenever the pickup script signals a successful detection. In the third phase, player data and persistence. A player can enter, he can play the game, he can make the robot collect the stars. If all the required stars are collected, then it is satisfied. Phase 3 implemented the players and the Hall of Fame systems. Players ensure a username on the profile screen. This is yet to be implemented. Persistence is maintained via dedicated script that uses a player perhaps to store the high score and corresponding player's name locally. And in the fourth phase, we have developed the advanced features and conclusion. We are also finalizing the UI, including we can see in the screen where we have shared the game that it has a clean smooth animations and a very good UI, including the fully functional pause menu that utilizes time.timescale is equal to 0 to halt the gameplay. For expert levels, we are scripting dynamic moving obstacles and vanishing platforms to increase the difficulty. This ensures that the time over we established a robust 3D game with all the necessary requirements. Phase 1 to 3 are met, and fourth phase is yet to be implemented. C hash scripts are used in this. This solid foundation means Timmy's Stellar Quest is now ready for the 3D rotating cube challenge. Now, let me run the game. Let me play the game. Let it load. We can see that using the pad on the laptop, or using the mouse, we can move around, and using the arrow keys we can move Timmy anywhere we want. We will move Timmy in the direction of the stars. We There in the above screen we can see that collectibles remaining, it which means there are 6 stars in this screen, and we have to collect all the 6 stars. So let us collect by using the arrow keys. Let us move Timmy. Moving forward, we collected 1 star. Let's jump down. We move towards the stairs. We climb the stairs using the arrow keys. We collected the second star. Now let's come down. Like this, we'll collect all the 6 stars. We can also see that the live scores can be seen on the screen upside where we were to collect all the 6 stars. We have collected 2, and the remaining stars are 4. After collecting all the stars, the game ends. If Timmy falls down, where I as I told you, if we collect all the stars, then the game ends. If we move the robot, if we move Timmy in any direction continuously, he falls off the screen. He falls below the y-axis, and the game restarts. This is handled by the uh, respawn player script. See, the game restarted now. Now all the 3 stars should be collected from stars should be collected, and then the game ends. Here we can see a play. We can see a smooth animation where where the Timmy can land on the surface and go to the star. Then he can collect it, and then the next star collection can be done again. Thank you for listening. We have developed until the 3 phases. The fourth phase is yet to be developed. Thank you for listening. Thank you so much.